In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link another page on Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a link to your site's navigation so visitors can jump to the right place with a single click. Start by heading to Google Sites in your browser and sign in if you're not already. This takes you to your site's dashboard. Look for the section labeled Recent Sites. This area lists the sites you've worked on most recently, which makes it a quick way to pick up where you left off. If you don't immediately see the site you need, don't worry. Scroll or use the search bar at the top of the dashboard to find it. Open your site to enter the editor. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the editor panels. Click the Pages tab. This panel controls your site's structure and navigation, which is exactly where we want to add our link. At the bottom right of the Pages panel, click the plus button. This is where you add new items to your site's navigation. From the menu that appears, choose New Link. Selecting this option tells Google Sites you want to add a link entry instead of a brand new page. A dialog opens asking for details. Type